and Ramadan, alhamdulillah. Because it's a common month, like other months, 12 months. But he put the sign of sale in it, in Ramadan, and making the special month for that. Like this after Christmas, this is a special month for sale after Christmas, people start buying the thing. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for the Mu'min's people, Ya ahlazina amanu kutiba alaykum siyama. I am putting a sale for 1 month and come and get products in very cheap and very good quality of that. So that's the best time, mashallah, to get this, enter in the sales and get and avail this opportunity which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is given to the Mu'mineen peoples. So what's the sale for that? What's the product? I want to sell the things. Nekiyan, rewards, virtues. Allah Ta'ala ने जिसकी सेल लगाई है वो क्या है? नेकियां. नेकियां जो है आजकल रमजान में अल्लाह सुब्हान व तआला उसकी सेल लगा देता है माशाअल्लाह. और वही काम जो आम दिनों में आप करते हैं, the work you do in the common days, is get the special sawab for that. But in Ramadan, if you do same thing, the rewards goes, oh mashallah, up to up for that. The deed is the same, but the sawabs goes up, mashallah, for that. So Allah put the sale for that. But जो भी आदमी आएगा सब जो नेकी करेगा इस महीने के अंदर, अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला उसके सवाब को बहुत बहुत बढ़ा देता है. Those are really want these things. They believe in the akhirah. So they become crazy then. Like the people that slept outside before night for this sale. So like this, the true Mu'mins and who believe in the akhirah, they think that this is the main thing, because to get it, the nekis, then they do the hard job in it. More than in the common months. He changed their life, changed their style, changed their sleeping time. Everything they changed for earning these nekis. Because who knows the next sale will come in our life or not. Many people we have seen it. Just before the sale, they die. They could not enter in it. We are the luckiest people that we had the chance for that. So we enter in this, alhamdulillah, in this sale of Ramzan. So इसमें जितने भी आदमी हर वक्त, every time we should be worried about it. What I can get it. What can I earn it from there? But so many things, alhamdulillah, to earn it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say. Even if you say like Subhanallah. Do a job, work, anything. Just say Subhanallah. And so easy to say that even the child, say 3 years, 2 years child can say this Subhanallah. Say Subhanallah. Yeah, you have a tree in Jannah now. So Rahim Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So He make it so easy, even for a child, he can earn a high class of Jannah in there. It's not the common tree. You can travel 100 years, but you can't finish the, mashallah, shadow of this tree. And the Jannah tree is not the same tree as we have this tree. This is the example for the saints, tree so that we can understand about the tree. But this is not the real tree, true word for saying this, Jannah tree. The Jannah tree will be different. He will give the dress, He will give the food, He will fulfill every desire for you. So it is different, very different trees. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Jannah. So that's why the people, if you see the life of Agawarin, the good people, the pious people, mashallah, say saint people, they are very quite different in the Ramadan. Very quite different. They attach themselves to the Quran, Nafil, Zikr. All the time devote this daytime for that. they less everything because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us for that. They make us hungry for whole days. Don't make the effort for that. Cooking, drinking, coffee, tea. Just finish, mashallah, everything. Keep quiet for everything. Help us for that. So every disturbance, alhamdulillah, finish for that, so that we can earn the nekis in easy way. And lot of. We shouldn't regret on the akhirah that Allah Ta'ala gave us Ramzan and we couldn't earn it in this. So now everybody, when you go to sale, you want to get the good product, which is a very high in price, but it is cheap now. So everybody rush to there to get this thing. That's why they sleep outside before night. They have the target, oh, this fridge, I will get it inshallah. I'll be the first to enter it, and I will get this fridge. I will get this sofa from there. And they slept all night in the cold nights, mashallah. Because this is the dunya. He's doing for the dunya everything. Yes, okay, it's his taste. So who should we ask? So think about that. When you are going to be in sale of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who shouldn't be? It's not enough to get less things. Go to the highest things to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is the best. And which said Allah subhanahu, this is the great for me. Samajh baat? We should rush over there. Now find out. The Allah wale, mashallah, the Naik people, they know which is the best to get it in this Ramzan. What is that? It's easy. If you go to the Quran, this question is asked from the Hazrat Usman. What is the biggest deed? You can earn it. Hazrat Usman said, didn't you read the Quran? Yes, sir. I have read it. If you read it, then this is in the Quran. وَذِكْرُ اللَّهِ أَكْبَرُ. So Quran says the बहुत जबरदस्त जो नेकी जिसे आपको मिल सकती है जिस एक्शन से, वो कौन सा है? अल्लाह का जिक्र है। अल्लाह का जिक्र है। आम दिनों में हम जब करते थे उससे कहीं ज्यादा हमारा जिक्र होना चाहिए। इसीलिए आप देख रहे हैं आम दिनों में 2 दफा करते थे, रमजान में 3 दफा कर रहे हैं। सुबह का जिक्र जो आम दिनों जो होता था 1 घंटा हो जाता था, अब हो रहा है 2 घंटे का, 1.5 घंटे का। So it is hard, but the result is very good. Fine. He's waking whole night out of the store, but the result is good. Begin. He enter in the store and get the fridge which how to get it. If thinking no, I can't get up in the morning, it's very hard. After Fajr, there's dirt sleep there. Those, you can do it. But the barakat of Ramadan is that, mashallah, if you less sleeps, you fresh on your job. Try it. आपके रमजान में 2 घंटा सोना ऐसा होगा जैसे आप 6 घंटे आम दिनों में सो गए। और जिक्र is so nice, he makes you sleep in the zikr, mashallah. Sleeping is the full sukoon in your heart. That you need after sleeping. If you see a person, he's sleeping on the bed, when he get up, oh, I'm feeling tired, I'm not well, because even he's in the bed 6-8 hours, his heart was not good. With the worries, he could not sleep at all. But if person has a peace in his mind, in the heart, he go for the half an hour, 1 hour, he get up in the bed, oh, I'm fine, mashallah. Understand what I'm saying? So that's why the zikr people, they always have the nice, full sukoon heart they have. So 2 hours, mashallah, fresh them. They don't make friend bread. They don't make friend beds on the Ramzan. So they do the heart. We should arrange before the Ramzan our holidays, our thinking, our hope. If really they want, we die. वो पता है कि हमें मरना है ना, उसको पता चलेगा कि कितना फायदा हुआ इस चीज का। अल्लाह ने हमें सीख दी थी और हमें बताया भी था, he told us कि जिक्र जो सबसे बड़ी चीज है, अगर तुमने थोड़ी सी मेहनत कर ली, सेक्रीफाइस कर ली, ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट एक खास ब्लेसिंग है कि उसने हमें इतनी बड़ी मजालिस दे दी है। और आप चाहते हैं कुछ इस रमजान में कमाने के लिए, تو آپ سکر کو پکڑیں کثرت کے ساتھ, آج سے وعدہ کریں کہ بھائی یہ سستی وستی نہیں چلے گی. آئی ہیو ٹو کم ان مارننگ ذکر, آئی ہیو ٹو کم ان ایوننگ ذکر. یہ تو کمال اللہ انعام کیوں دیتا ہے؟ انسان سستی آ رہی ہو, غالب ہو, نیند آ رہی ہو, اس کو بیٹھ کے نیکی کمائے, اس کو نیکی کمائے. فرق کیا ہمارے فرشتوں میں ہمارے میں کیا فرق ہے؟ ہوتا ہے انسان افضل ہے فرشتوں سے, بالکل انسان افضل ہے, کیونکہ انسان اور فرشتوں میں تو بڑا فرق ہے. فرشتوں کہتے ہیں نماز پڑھو تو نماز پڑھ رہے ہیں, سجدہ کرو سجدہ کر رہے ہیں, تسبیح کرو تو تسبیح کر رہے ہیں. لیکن ہمیں کیا کہا؟ شادی بھی کر, دکان بھی چلا, مال بھی کما, اور نفس بھی ہے تیرے اندر, گناہ بھی تیرے سامنے آئیں گی, لڑکی بھی آئیں گی, سود بھی آئے گا, بدماشی بھی آئیں گی, سب کچھ آئیں گے, اس سے بچ کے مجھے یاد کر. لا تلہکم اموالکم واولادکم عن ذکر اللہ. فرشتے تو آپ کی زیارت کے لیے آتے ہیں. کہتے ہیں ہم میں اگر یہ چیز ہوتی ہم تو کبھی نہ کر سکتے. اتنی چیزوں سے بچ کے, یہ تمام چیزوں سے بچ کے ان کے پاس ٹائم کہاں سے نہیں کراتے, اللہ کو یاد کرتے ہیں. تو یہ بن کے دکھائے نا, یہ اللہ تعالیٰ نے ٹیسٹ کر رہا ہے, نیند آ رہی ہے, خوش آ رہا ہے, لیکن ساتھ میں سیل لگا دی اس نے. یہ تو نہیں لکھا ہم سو گئے, slept on فجر, slept on this thing, taking a rest. کس کا نقصان ہو رہا ہے؟ سیل کے من تو جا رہا ہے, وہی لوز اٹ.